Harlem Village Academy's Wolverine casting, day one. Mark, can you tell me what you'd bring to the role of Wolverine?
I don't know. Being angry? I will be a good fighter. I think I can do better than Hugh Jackman.
Now, if we cast you in the role of Wolverine, we'll probably have to take you out of school for a couple months. Do you think that's okay?
Yes. Fine with me. Well, that would be great. That sounds perfect. What's that guy's job?
Wolverine hair test.
Do I have any flyaways? I'm still standing after all these times. War! Standing like a superhero. Roar! Roar! Feeling like a little kid.
Catchphrase test, Mark.
I'll drop you like yesterday's newspaper. I'll drop you like yesterday's newspaper. What's a newspaper? If you cage the beast. If you cage the beast. The beast will get angry. Angry. Angry! Roar! Can I get some bigger claws, please? Lion? You picked the wrong house, bub. 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 Get me a double latte.
Wolverine acting test. Okay, so you're running through the forest.
I don't like running.
Is that all you got? Strength test.
Okay, just bend that.
I think I need a little bit of help. It won't work. Excellent. You guys are amateurs.
Saw the audition sign outside?
This was for Harlem Village Academy's elementary school. Did you bring your own claws?
Oh yeah, always ready, all the time. That's how I do it, baby. I can go all day, baby. If you cage the beast will get... Can I get a line, please?
Can we see what you look like without the wig?
What wig? Just call my agent.